Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to add password to edit Excel file. User can open Excel file, but he cannot edit any data and he cannot format any data. How can I add this password? Just go to the review. Here is the option protect sheet. Prevent unwanted changes to the data in a sheet by specifying what information can be changed. For example, you can prevent people from editing locked cells or changing the formatting of the document. Just click it and now enter the password. I just enter 123 and click OK. It will ask to re-enter password. Just type 123 and click OK. Now this workbook has been protected. You can see here unprotect sheet. Now save this file and close this file, and now reopen this file. This file is password. Just double click here. User can open this file and view all the data, but he cannot edit any part of the data. I just type here 500. It will display the message. It's only a read only. User cannot edit any part of the data. And now you can see here formatting option has been disabled. If you want to edit this file, you have to type password. Just go to the review and click unprotect sheet. Just click here and you have to type the password. Just type 123 and click OK. Now you can edit any part of the data of this workbook. Just type here 500 and you can see here formatting option has been enabled. That's way you can protect your sheet. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.